Unlocking the meaning of faithful, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss: the word faithful. Whether you are learning English for personal growth, work, or travel, understanding this word is key as it pops up in various contexts. So, stay tuned as we dive deep into the meaning, usage, and nuances of faithful. Faithful is an adjective that describes someone or something that is reliable, loyal, and trustworthy. When someone is faithful, they stay true to their commitments, promises, and responsibilities, showing a strong sense of dedication and consistency. For instance, a faithful friend is someone who stands by your side, regardless of the circumstances. A faithful employee is a person who is dedicated to their job and performs their duties diligently. Subsection 2.1. In relationships. In romantic or platonic relationships, being faithful means staying true and loyal to a partner or friend. It involves honesty, trust, and a commitment to maintain the relationship without deception. Subsection 2.2. In religion. In religious contexts, faithful refers to someone who is devoted to their faith or religious beliefs. They follow religious practices diligently and uphold the values of their faith. Subsection 2.3. In art and reproductions. When we talk about art or reproductions, a faithful reproduction means that the copy is accurate and true to the original, capturing its details and essence with precision. Let's look at some examples to see how faithful can be used in sentences. She has been a faithful supporter of our charity for many years. The movie is a faithful adaptation of the novel, retaining its original dialogue and plot. And there you have it. We hope this video has helped you understand the diverse meanings and uses of the word faithful. Remember, enriching your vocabulary is a great step towards fluency, and understanding the nuances of words like faithful will surely enhance your English skills. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.